2, 3, 4.
Hey, how's it going, friends? Decided I'm going to do a vlog. I dip in and out of these vloggity modes from time to time. When this channel actually started out, I would do a vlog early in the week, and then later I would do the tutorial. And I'm going to start doing that again here and there. No real schedule for when I'm going to vlog, just when the mood strikes me and when I'm doing something fun or just relaxing or something. So I'm here at Little Buffalo State Park in Pennsylvania, and it's pretty windy, as you can probably tell, you can probably hear. The lake is like 50% drained. We did not know that when we were headed here, but it really doesn't matter. It's a nice day. It's a nice day, windy, it's not too hot. So here's some more B-roll. Enjoy. Just to show you how low the water is, that's the dock right there. I'll zoom in a little bit. It's significantly lower than usual. I don't know if you can see that. Right about in the middle, a little bit lower, is a bald eagle eating a fish. I've never been this close to an eagle, so that's really cool. Unfortunately, this lens tops out at 85 millimeters, so that's it. That's all the closer I can get. Hope you enjoyed this short vlog. Please subscribe and tell your friends. And remember, create, share, repeat, and keep it awesome. See you next time.